At Fuser, we live action sports, and we're obsessed with technology. But in the past, the two haven't worked well together. We're about to change that. The product we've created is called Mohawk. It's an action camera, communication system, navigation unit, black box, and emergency response system, all wrapped into one. You can capture high-res photos and HD videos with the press of a button on your wrist or handlebar-mounted remote. Your media syncs directly with your smartphone for easy viewing and sharing. If something really cool happens and you weren't recording, press 2 buttons to initiate a hot shot. It saves the last 15 seconds of action and pushes it to social media live in real time. You'll never miss a shot again. Our cloud-based push-to-talk comms allow up to 12 friends to chat with one another over any distance and using any Bluetooth headset. A world first. Mohawk is loaded with onboard sensors that allow it to do some really powerful things. It can record all sorts of information: how fast you go, what routes you take, your airtime, lean angle, and much more. It can also detect if you've been in a collision. The black box feature locks down the last 2 minutes of audio, video, and telemetry information, giving you a full record of what happened leading up to the incident. It sends text message and email alerts to your emergency contacts and provides them with your exact GPS location on an interactive map, as well as the local phone numbers for the 3 nearest EMS dispatchers. Hi, I'm Ryan Shearman, founder of Fuser. This campaign is for you, our early adopters. Back us today. Be one of the first to experience the Mohawk and come along for the ride.
You know the issue. We all want to stay in shape, but in our busy life, it's almost impossible to find enough time for workout. That's why we developed the Be More Fit. Instead of joining a gym, this is the gym that joins you and gives you more exercise in less time. Fit takes you out of the cramped fitness center and makes the whole city your playground. It is so much fun, you won't believe it's a better, faster, fuller and safer workout than cycling or running. Just ask the experts. We did. In the lab, they confirmed that Fit engages more muscles and gets your pulse up quicker with less impact than a walk. It gives you all the training you need in just minutes. Legs, glutes, core, arms, chest, 6 major muscle groups. You get balance, strength and stamina, all at the same time. And it's social too. Exercising outdoors together has never been easier. Our resistance add-on lets you set the exact effort level you want, whether you're matching the pace of cyclists, runners, kids or your fit buddies. Combined with our easy home trainer, Fit has you covered all year round, inside or out. Finding enough workout time is suddenly easy. Fit turns any shopping trip, coffee break or commute into a full body fitness. Best of all, this is exercise that is irresistible. Last year, we launched our first Kickstarter campaign for the first generation. It was a runaway success, surpassing our targets in 3 days. Since then, we delivered hundreds of units to ultra runners in Sweden, retired Marines in Florida, designers in Hong Kong, and fitness experts in Switzerland. They wanted even more, and we are amazed and grateful for their ideas, hacks, designs, and suggestions. Now we built them into Fit, the new Danish machine that's optimized for full body fitness, anywhere, anytime, for anybody. With your help, this fitness revolution will soon be improving workouts everywhere. Don't think you have enough time to exercise? Denmark has the answer. Get fit.
Have peace of mind knowing you have a flashlight, GPS, and walkie-talkie with you wherever you go. Fogo's 1000 lumen flashlight keeps you safe and prepares you for any outdoor task, like setting up your tent at night. Accidents happen. Luckily, Fogo is waterproof and durable, so you don't have to worry about dropping it or damaging it in the rain or the snow. Use Fogo's built-in radio and GPS to keep track of friends and family while they're off exploring. Then bring everyone safely back to camp with Fogo's text messaging feature, or coordinate using Fogo's walkie-talkie.
Are you on your way?
Yeah, I'll be there in 15 minutes with the food.
Fogo also functions as a backup battery, so it keeps your USB devices charged while you relax in your tent. At night, Fogo's motion sensor makes it easy to find. Just move around and it turns on automatically to get your attention. Whether you're a camper, hiker, backpacker, or bike rider, Fogo is the ultimate adventure gadget designed to keep you safe while exploring. When you hit the trail, the Fogo tracks your route with its built-in GPS and pedometer. You can safely navigate unknown terrain as the Fogo guides you between waypoints, or create your own waypoints along the way for spontaneous geocaching. To maximize battery life and protect your night vision, Fogo switches to low beam when you point it at the trail in front of you and high beam for distant objects. At night, Fogo also guides you between your waypoints by giving a warning flash whenever you veer off course, helping you safely find your destination. If you're backpacking for longer than a day trip, Fogo enters breadcrumbs mode, automatically turning on once every 15 minutes to log your location. Fogo also works as an advanced bike computer with a built-in light, radio, and charger. Before you hit the trail, just mount Fogo to the handlebars using the GoPro or Garmin Edge compatible mounting adapter. While you're out, Fogo tracks your ride using GPS. You can also track your heart rate or cadence using Bluetooth. If you take a spill, Fogo can detect your crash and send out a message using the radio. When the sun goes down, the Fogo automatically illuminates the trail. The interchangeable wide beam reflector is perfect for mountain biking at night. The Fogo also saves your battery by switching to low beam when you slow down and high beam when you pick up speed. Set an estimated trip duration and the Fogo will make sure you use just the right amount of battery power to get back safely to your destination. The Fogo. Adventure, convenience, safety.
My name is Thomaik. I'm an architect from Belgium. This project started a few years back. I had a friend who was getting married and I thought I'd make him a nice personalized gift. I'd always been playing around with pieces of paper and geometrical forms and was interested in producing something which came really from the method of fabrication itself. Something really quite minimalistic in some ways, but which would just produce a maximum effect. And to me, this idea of starting from a blank sheet of paper, scrunching it up, you create really something quite organic in some ways, almost mineral also. Put a lamp inside, it glows, and you've got it. It's your bomb. Depending on funding, there's something I really would like to do is get people involved with this project, bring them in, get their own creativity mixed with my product and make it something new, expand it and again bring it to another step. I thank you for supporting this project.
So I'll just like play with it and see what this thing is all about.
Hey, this looks great.
Basically, this is perfect for me as a lazy movie watcher.
Travelers, this is what we've been waiting for.
This is wonderful.
Tablet computers are great, but they're not made to be held. If you're trying to watch a movie or stream a sitcom or something in bed, you lift your tablet to eye level and your arms get tired very quickly, not to mention your neck and your back muscles. Harvard School of Public Health even did a study on this. When you're hunched over looking at your tablet, it's like placing a 60-pound weight at the base of your neck on your spine. It's a real ergonomic tragedy. My name's Sean Kiley. I'm the founder of the T-Stand. We all spend a lot of money on our tablets and they're just not fulfilling their purpose. We help to solve this ergonomic tragedy. We elevate the tablet to eye level in many positions, hands-free, so your hands can do better things, like eating popcorn. The beauty of the T-Stand lies in its simplicity. It is comprised of two main moving parts, a vertical stand and the patented reversible base. The reversible base allows you to easily switch from bed mode to desktop mode where you can use your tablet as a monitor. The T-Stand and its reversible base allows for an infinite amount of angles and can be customized to fit almost any of your personal scenarios. We're always finding new and different ways to use the T-Stand.
I use my tablet when I'm trying to find something to cook. I could take this and put it on a table and read it at eye level almost.
I took one of my mic stands and I put it next to my bed, and then I put this tablet into this thing and had it over my head. But then inevitably I fell asleep, and then in the middle of the night, like around 2:30 in the morning, the thing fell out of the stand and hit me in the face. It'll definitely provide that same kind of experience that I've been looking for, but without the option of it possibly falling on my face. It's almost like it's hugging me. It's like, good night, Adam. Enjoy this film, and then good night, T-stand.
If I'm holding my tablet, I'll just be tired of holding it or placing it. I just feel like it's more of a monitor or a TV.
It feels like a monitor. It feels like a fully functioning computer. It's amazing.
There's no way I would be able to hold this iPad. My hands are so arthritic. With the iPad stand, the T-stand, I don't have to do anything but work on it. It's great.
After 2 years of brainstorming, prototyping, user testing, re-prototyping, re-user testing, redesigning, again and again, we're happy to finally bring the T-stand to you. My expert design team has really nailed the essential functions while keeping it simple and beautiful. So I've invested my personal savings into this product. It's already started, so by the time this campaign is finished, T-stand will be able to ship within a week or two after. All I'm looking for from Kickstarter is about $10,000 to help me make my minimum order quantity. So hit that big green button, support the T-stand, and help us to help you to enjoy your tablet to the fullest.